What is going on YouTube? Scooter here with Brad's Garage, back with another video. And today we have a tailgate lift assist kit on, and we're just going to do a slight unboxing, see what it comes with. This is the Orion kit, got it off of Amazon. Picture on screen there, and also link in the description. What we got here is we got the top mount of the shock. We got good old T-bits, Torx bits. Got some thread lockers, some blue Loctite, pretty nice. We got a rivet. So you basically what you do is you tighten this down, and then this compresses on the inside of the side of the tailgate. And then this is the bolt that bolts into this afterwards once the rivet is tied in all the way correctly. Nice and tight. And then we have our shock. You see it's very tight. But yeah, we're basically going to go through it today. Gonna get this installed. We don't really need the instructions where we're going because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. But if you want to take a picture of the diagrams, you can. These will all come with a picture of the diagram, and then I believe this is a sticker. I think. I'm not sure. Alright. What we're going to do is we're going to get this all set up, and then we're going to start assembling it onto the vehicle step by step. Alright guys, first step here is we have our plate, and then I went into my toolbox and I found that it was a T47. May be different depending on what vehicle it is. All you gotta do is just take that off. But first, what we gotta do, we gotta take the cable bracket off. You use a flat tip, and you pull it off just like that. Next, you grab your T47, loosen that jaw on there. Then you're gonna take your top bracket. You're gonna put this over the back side of the washer. And all you gotta do is just tighten it on there. Make sure it's as straight as possible. You don't want it to touch anything bad. Make sure it's nice and straight. All you gotta do is tighten it down. Just like that. Ain't going nowhere. Now what we could actually do is we could actually put the tailgate cable back on. That's just so we don't forget later. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put on this rivet nut here with the Allen key, and then this, and what you do is you put the Allen key through, and you slowly tighten up that as this rivet nut goes in. And now we're going to do that next. Alright guys, what we got here is a 3/16 Allen and a 10mm. All we're going to do is just make sure this is on the tightening setting like that. I'm going to slip it on this back side here. What we're going to do is we're going to take our Allen key, hold it in place, and all we're going to do is tighten down this rim nut. You need to reposition the Allen key, make sure you have enough leverage, just like this. And you want it tightened really good so then it doesn't fall off in the future the more and more you use your tailgate. See, right now it's already starting to get pretty good at tightening in there, so we're just going to get as tight as it can. Alright, it's starting to slow down here, it's getting pretty tight. There we go, nice and tight. All we gotta do is just take off this Allen, just like this. And boom, that thing is set into place nice and tight. That thing will not be falling off. Next step is you want your thing, for the shock absorber, and then you want a 13mm wrench. Just hand tighten it in there by hand first, and then you get in there with your wrench, tying it down the rest of the way. Do a couple, make sure it's nice and tight. Pretty tight, she ain't going nowhere. Final step here is we're going to take our shock and we're going to mount it. All it does is just clip on. They already from factory put a little bit of grease on the inside, which is nice. Like I do, is clip the top like that, and then lift your tailgate up first to get the bottom one on. But you have to pull it out a little bit with your hands. It'll get more and more looser the more you use this. Once you get it on, clip that into place, and then we'll just move all this. This is next part. This is more of a fun part. Put it down in the comment section below what you think this is. Don't cheat. Don't go skipping ahead. I also got some nice metal valve caps to put on, but I will not include that in the video. I don't want to torture you guys. By these, you could probably tell what it is, but it's alright. Alright, so nice and smooth. I'm gonna get some WD-40 to quiet that down. Don't litter, guys. I'm not good to litter. But do that one more time. I got a bad handle coming up. Boom, luxury, just like the brand new trucks. For a small price of $18, you get your tailgate to be working just like that. And yeah, let me get some WD-40 on, and then we'll do a nice slow-mo. Alright guys, I actually got some that will work way better. It's a RV Care Slide Out Lubrication. Basically, it's just like WD-40 but even more effective because it's made for RVs that slide out. Probably the same formula, but you never know. Get some nice and lubricated. And now for the last and final time, we're going to take this tailgate down. Boom, just like that. And now, for the final piece of the puzzle, if you haven't already guessed, 50 cal blue antenna with the U.S. American flag on there. The good old US of A. That old one, that went that goldish color. Voila, onto the Mustang. I know I'm modding the Mustang and it's not even running and driving, but you know what? That's alright. So step is take your seal, put that on the bottom, and then I just reused the one from that kit there because that's the one I know that fits my truck. There's another one and it's right here, but we'll just throw this one on. Do the threads just like that, nice and tight. Now we're going to take this to the front of the truck where my antenna goes. Right here. Oh, oh crap, I just dropped the seal in the crack. Well, I think that's why they give you two seals. They give you two seals so that if you drop one and lose one, you won't lose the other one. But yeah, all we gotta do is just tighten this bad boy on there. And then I'm actually gonna try to do it where I position the flag probably off to the side here because people look on the side of the truck and see it. Perfect. Just like that, it's installed. Alrighty guys, that is going to be the end of the install video on how to do new antenna on your truck, 50 caliber antenna, and then also the Orion tailgate assist. Those will be linked in the description. Also, I'll put them up on screen right here. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the post notifications, and make sure you have a good rest of your day. Thank you.